Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello, ma'am. Assalamu alaikum. This is MD Mojibur Rahman Khan. First of all, thanks to my honorable ma'am who gave me a chance to create this kinds of presentation in this situation. Welcome to my presentation. Next, submitted to MST Murshida Khatun, Assistant Professor, Department Textile Engineering, Daffodil International University. Submitted by MD Mujibur Rahman Khan, ID 192235705, Department Textile Engineering, Section A. Next, today I will try my best to discuss on about RMG sector in Bangladesh. Here are 5 questions. Number 1, why is the garments industry so important to Bangladesh? Number 2, what is the current scenario of RMG sector? Number 3, contribution of RMG sector in Bangladesh. Number 4, current challenges of textile industry. Number 5, what is the position of Bangladesh textile industry in the world? Next, question answer 1. The textile and clothing industries provide a single source of growth in Bangladesh's rapidly developing economy. Exports of textile and garments are the principal source of foreign exchange earnings. By 2002, exports of textile clothing and ready-made garments accounted for 77% Bangladesh's total merchandise exports. In 1972, the World Bank approximated the gross domestic of Bangladesh at 6.29 billion US dollar, and it grew to 172.82 billion US dollar by 2014, with 31.2 billion dollar of that generated by exports, 82% of which was ready-made garments. Next, as of 2016, Bangladesh held the second place on producing garments just after China. Bangladesh is the world's second largest apparel exporter of Western fast fashion brands. In the financial year 2016 to 2017, the RMG industry generated US 28.14 million, which was 80.7% of the total exports earnings in exports and 12.36% of the GDP. Next, answer question 2. The ready-made garments industry in Bangladesh is facing a serious crisis because of COVID-19, with a virtual freeze on new business and mass cancellation of existing orders. The Bangladesh Garments Manufacturing and Exports Association (BGMEA) has been appealing to the buyers to continue ordering, and some trade unions have asked for a shutdown of the factories, while most others are working with government bodies and BGMEA to ensure that the factories open and people have jobs and salaries, according to a report published. Next, millions of RMG workers are going to be affected economically by the COVID-19 crisis. In the face of the concern raised by the trade unions and the RMG employers, on March 15, 2002, the government announced a VDT 500 million stimulus package, of which the majority is allocated for workers' wage and benefits. The majority of these workers are female, coming from poor socio-economic backgrounds and mostly working at a low wage in garments factory. Next, ready-made garments are the largest exports industry and determine the dynamics of total exports earnings for Bangladesh. RMG is still growing at a satisfactory rate. There is no strong indication of any negative impact of the global economic crisis on RMG as of today, but the future continues to be unpredictable. Next, answer question 3. The textile industry is connected with meeting the demand for clothing, which is a basic necessary of life. It is an industry that is more labor intensive than any other in Bangladesh and thus plays a critical role in providing employment for people. It has contributed to employment creation, poverty reduction, as well as women employment. More than 81% of export earnings come from textile sector, contributes over 30% of GDP. 40% industrial value addition comes from the textile sector. Next, provide huge opportunities for the supporting industry banking, insurance, shipping, transport, tailoring, cosmetics, hotel and other related economical activities. Provide 55 lakh of employment where 80% are women. 150 lakh of people in support industries demand on this trade. Provide 2 lakh jobs in waste recycling industry related textiles. Next, answer question 4. Ready-made garments industry of textile industry is the most influential economic sector of Bangladesh because of labor intensive technological improvements, resourceful workforce, tremendous success. This sector going upper day by day. This sector faces some challenges these days. Next, here are three major challenges. Number one, increasing electronics, motor and high-tech industries. Number two, order speed up and variety increases. Number three, safe and green business policy. Description of number one, increases electronics, motor and high-tech industries. Increasing electronics, motors, high-tech industries. In present, people want good quality local products with cheaper cost. Keeping this in mind, so many renowned high-tech, micro-tech motors and vehicles, electrical and electronics products and accessories companies builds up. Among of them, Ultras, Capco, Walton Group, Runner Group, Minister Group, etc. Number two, order speed up and variety increase. Nowadays, people fashion choice as well as trend changing rapidly. Classy fashion and trendy items are top on choice following Hollywood or Bollywood. Globally competitive market also wants rapid feedback from their suppliers. Order speeds up because of this reason. Number three, safe and green business policy. After Rana Plaza and Tazreen Garments incidents, industrial safety becomes an important issue for foreign buyers. Every international buyer has their own safety and compliance policy. Sometimes those are just a way of making hindrance. Accord and Alliance, OHS, WARP, etc. Next, answer question 5. Today, the development countries are hugely dependent on the developing nations for textile and garments manufacturing. At present, Bangladesh ranks second in the world as the largest apparel products with $20 billion business, in which 80% is earned by exporting goods. Next, Here we can see a graph, and we also see that Bangladesh is the second global market share in percent, 6.5. So we are proud of Bangladesh textile industry. Next, thank you ma'am, thank you everybody.